What are you doing?
Making me a row cover so I can shut out the weeds from growing. I don't want to have to constantly weed as much as would be necessary. Right now the compost that I have had a lot of weeds in it, but it's good compost. Obviously everything's growing well, but I don't want to have to constantly weed. So I don't mind weeding around the plants that are growing, but weeding between the rows, too much work. So I cut the bag up. I saved my paper bags for this purpose. Take this. I get the weeds out normally. Then I'll put this, which I'm gonna do. Then I put this in between, so it's not hurting the plant there. When you press it down, it doesn't keep them from growing. I always have that down. And what I do after I get it all down, I'm just going to show you. Normally I pull the weeds out in between first, but it's not necessary. Then I put the leaves on top of it. And the brown paper bag will compost. It will take a long time, but it will. But it does hide the weeds from the sun. So if they don't get any sun, they can't grow. So I don't have to weed in between here. And you see on this row, I covered it the paper bags totally, put some brown leaves on it, and I don't have to worry about weeding that part. I just weed the one around the plants that I want to grow. Convenience, especially if you're busy working and don't have time to do a lot of weeding. So doing this once, I probably won't have to do it again.